Joe, Beer Master, the Car Master here. Today we have a 16 Cadillac SRX. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to take the tail light out. First thing you want to do is open the hatch, tailgate. There is no access in there to change the bulbs. You have to take out the assembly. The first thing you have to do is take this filler panel out. We've already loosened it. So if you look at this side, there's a clip. Put a screwdriver in there. You take the center pin out. And you can use a dike or whatever. Once that center pin comes out, the pin will come out. And then you're going to pull from the top. Since I've already done it over here, you're going to pull from the top. There's a little clips down there. You use a little force. Put your hand down, work it down the side, and then pull it out, the clip there. Then here, there will be two Phillips screws. One there, one there. You just take them out. And the only other thing that holds it is a pressure grommet in here. So you're going to have to push it. It's good if you have two people. You hit it like this, or you pull it. But what I did was I got a screwdriver, a bigger screwdriver than this. As somebody was pushing it and I was pulling it, I put the screwdriver back here and kind of gave it a little push and it popped out. So these things really want to hold. So if you look on the inside here, that's how you get the assembly out right there. And if you want to change a bulb, you just simply twist it out, take it out, you pull the bulb straight out. Now, there's several bulbs in here, so you have to figure out which one you need. Each bulb has a number on it, or you can go to a local auto supply or call it in and tell them, hey, I need a tail light or a brake light or turn signal light, reverse light, whatever, bulb, and they can look it up. So you plug the light bulb back in, turn it back in, line this push pin up. There's a little grommet hole. See a little push pin there. So they line up. There's two of them, at least two of them there. One here, one a little further down. I think there's a third one too. You always want to check that your bulbs are working properly before you start screwing it together. I'm just checking this here right here because we don't want to screw it on and then take it off again. Alright, so now I'm lining them up, lining them pins up. They're all lined up and just push it in. Then we're going to put the Phillips screws back in, and then we're going to click the filler piece in, and then put the push pin back in there, and that'll wrap it up. You can do it all in 5 minutes. Joe, Beer Master, the Car Master, making things easy. Take care and thanks for watching. All right.